Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
where we break down the latest tech to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Eufy SoloCam S340 wireless outdoor security camera.
A feature-packed device that aims to elevate your home security game.
Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk design.
The SoloCam S340 comes in a sleek white enclosure with an IP67 weather-resistant rating, ensuring durability against the elements. Its standout feature?
Dual lenses.
Yes, you heard that right.
It's equipped with two high-resolution lenses, offering both wide-angle views and telephoto zooming capabilities.
But that's not all. The camera boasts mechanical pan and tilt, allowing for 360 degrees of horizontal panning and 70 degrees of vertical tilt. Say goodbye to blind spots.
Now, let's talk power.
The SoloCam S340 runs on battery power. But here's the kicker. It comes with a small solar panel that keeps it charged indefinitely.
Plus, if you opt for the solar panel installation, you can enjoy up to 3 months of battery life between charges. Cut to footage highlighting the camera's night vision capabilities.
When it comes to night vision, the SoloCam S340 doesn't disappoint.
With color night vision and a built-in spotlight, you'll get crisp, well-lit footage even in low-light conditions. Now, let's talk tech. The Eufy Security app is your command center for managing the SoloCam S340. From live streaming to customizing motion settings, it puts control at your fingertips.
During testing, the SoloCam S340 delivered highly detailed and colorful video. Thanks to its AI motion tracking, you can rest assured that every movement is captured with precision. The Eufy SoloCam S340 is a powerhouse of a security camera, offering top-notch features like dual lenses, mechanical pan and tilt, and solar charging. While it may come with a higher price tag, its performance and versatility make it well worth the investment. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.